Hello viewers, welcome to ITV Gold. My name is AJ Kumar. I'm an accountant, a CPA at Sai CPA Services. In today's episode, we'll talk about ARPA, American Rescue Plan Act. ARPA is a new bill, came out last month. It has changed a lot of tax filing guidelines. It has a lot of benefits. You owe it to yourself to know more about it. Let's start with the stimulus payment. Under the ARPA, American Rescue Plan Act, there's a new stimulus payment of $1,400 each for everybody. See, if you remember, the first payment was $1,200, the second payment was $600, this third payment is $1,400 and is the same amount for the children, for the adults. If you did not file your taxes, you need to file the taxes. If you are on Social Security benefit, you need to register the bank account if the IRS does not have your bank account. But please remember, you have to get this money. If you do not get this money, please follow up. There is a website, there is a web link on IRS website which says where is my stimulus payment, and you can see where it's stuck in the system if you haven't received it. The next thing under the same ARPA Act is the child tax credit. See, if you remember, child tax credit used to be $2,000 and not all of it was refundable. It was $2,000 per child. Now it has been extended to $3,000 per child. For children under 6, it can be as much as $3,600. Not just that, all of it is refundable now. Please remember, this rule is starting 2021 tax filing, which you will be doing in 2022. IRS has released a note just last week. They will be making advance payment of the child tax credit starting July 1st, which you will have to reconcile, something very similar to stimulus payment. So after July 1st, you will see some money coming from IRS automatically, something very similar to stimulus payments. It will be listed as CTC, child tax credit, which you will have to report when you file your 2021 taxes in 2022. If you do not receive this money, do not worry about it. When you file your 2021 taxes, at that time you can claim, similar to stimulus payment 1 and stimulus payment 2. If you did not receive it, now when you file your 2020 taxes, you have the right to claim those payments. So child tax credit is a huge thing for a lot of people who have children. Unemployment benefit, if you recall, unemployment benefit was expiring in mid-March. That has been extended for 6 months. Now it's up to September 6th. We are talking about PUA. If you are unemployed, you can get $300 per week from the IRS, and if you are making less than $150,000, merit filing joint, then first $10,200 is not taxable to you. So this is a new change. If you filed your taxes before this change came out, before ARPA Act came out, you do not need to file an amendment to your taxes. You can leave the taxes as is, and IRS is expected to make the changes to your taxes and give you the additional refund. Even if you have received the first refund, you will get second refund, additional refund on a later date when IRS has adjusted your tax return to account for non-taxability of the first $10,200 of the unemployment benefit. Talk about dependent care. Under the ARPA Act, if you recall, dependent care used to be $3,000 per child to maximum of $6,000. Under the ARPA Act, this dependent care benefit has been extended to $8,000 per child up to $16,000 per family. If you remember, it used to be that up to 20% of this can be claimed. Now you can go up to 50% of the $16,000 under the dependent care, under the child care benefit. The next thing you want to talk about is the premium tax credit. If you recall, if you had the insurance, health insurance through the marketplace, you were supposed to give them your expected income, and the government was funding some part of the health insurance. If your actual income turns out to be higher than what you initially mentioned, then you are supposed to pay this premium tax credit back to the government. That filing requirement has been suspended. The filing requirement is called 8962, so you do not need to return the premium tax credit back to IRS. So there are a lot of great benefits under this ARPA, American Rescue Plan Act, as we just discussed the unemployment benefit, the child tax credit, the dependent credit, non-taxability of the unemployment benefit up to $10,200 if you are making less than $150,000, additional child tax credit of up to $3,600, and all of it can be a refundable tax credit. So please review the notes, find out more information about it. If you have additional question, please write to us, call us. Again, my name is AJ Kumar. I'm an accountant, a CPA at Sai CPA Services.